going to do a capital B. Same thing, holding your marker correctly. And you want to begin on the skyline or the topmost line and make a straight line down to the grass line or the bottom line. Pick your marker up, go back up to the top, and I do a bubble in on the dotted line and around, another bubble, and down on the bottom line. And to do a lowercase b, you can say first the bat and then the ball. So that would be skyline to grass line, straight line down, and then do a circle. Make sure you're touching the plane line and the grass line.